Nicholas Varney had nagging lower back pain that was impacting his weeding, so I suggested instead of weeding like this, he get down on one knee and try weeding from here. And being down on one knee also sets us up nicely to work on that lower back pain. First, by imagining our pelvis being a bucket of water, we practice spilling that water out the back of the body or the front of the body. Looking closely, you can see the subtle difference in spine position. By spilling water out the back and holding that pelvic tilt, we can create a nice hip flexor stretch that can help reduce strain on the lower back.
Tightness in the hip flexor that is actually causing the lower back to work extra as you walk around all day long. Because you can imagine if this is tight, it's going to pull the pelvis forward into that position where the stretch disappears. And that tips the platform that your spine comes up from into this angled position, so the spine then has to arch to keep you upright. And when we tilt that pelvis to a more neutral platform, the spine can stay relaxed and stacked up the way it should.
Just being conscious of it, like being able to identify what position you are and what your balance is
totally
very exciting.
People don't really think about pelvic tilt at all, or that it's influenced by the front of the thigh and that your lower back pain might be coming from
a whole other place.
a whole nother area.